The Mahindra Marazzo has become the first ever made in India MPV or multi-purpose vehicle to get a 4-star crash rating from Global NCAP. The Indian company has been working very hard to now implement a new ethos in its manufacturing. Carandbike had exclusive access on the big day of the test. Global NCAP had the car shipped in from India a few days earlier. Its personnel, along with the engineers and experts from ADAC, which owns the crash lab and conducts all tests, then prepped the car for the test. This car has all the safety equipment that is standard on the Marazzo, including ABS and dual airbags. So the car is all the way back there, and it's about 70 meters that it will cover at a speed of 64 kilometers per hour. The calibration and testing equipment, the crash sensors and the crash test dummies, along with all the cables and cameras to record and document everything. Next came the wet paint for color coding the various body parts of the dummies. This helps to analyze points of impact after the crash to see what potential injuries occur and also what parts of the vehicle causes them. The Marazzo was jointly developed by Mahindra R&D in Chennai and its North America Development Center, MANA, and we had representatives from both those centers present as well. So as you saw, the vehicle's been prepped, it's completely ready to go now, and it's almost time to get to the crucial test itself. The Marazzo was crash tested at 64 kilometers per hour for the frontal offset test under the Global NCAP protocol at this lab just outside Munich in Germany. At first glance, the Marazzo appears to have done well. Good structural integrity seems evident by lack of either any deforming of the A-pillar or any perceptible intrusions into the cabin. So the actual test is done, but the agonizing wait continues because the results have to be carefully analyzed, the numbers have to be crunched before we know finally where things stand. And the analysis was carried out in the subsequent days. The news was not just good, but great. The Marazzo has received 4 stars for front adult occupant protection. It also scored 2 stars for child occupant protection. This is also the highest score for any Mahindra car as well. Mahindra would be proud, as this result now sets the foundation for its future products, which sources within the company say will always aim for 4 or 5 stars and no lower, much higher than the country's new safety requirement by law.